kids. I'm here in Kosovo in quarantine, as you probably are too, and I was thinking about math. I went to the store yesterday to buy some eggs, and since I don't speak Albanian very well, I just pointed to the huge stack of eggs and said, yeah, I'll have some of those. So she gave me this squarish thing full of eggs and put the protective top on it, and she wrapped a string around it in this pattern, and she said it functioned as a handle, which I didn't believe, but here it works. Look, you can hold the handle and the eggs don't fall out. So I brought them home, and this is kind of big for my refrigerator, so I wanted to see if some of the cartons that I already have, if I have enough cartons to take these out and put them in. And I don't know how many eggs are in here, but I do know that I have these cartons that have 10 slots, and I have 3 of them, but I also have this other one with 18. Do I have enough to put these in the refrigerator? So what I noticed is that I can see how many eggs are on each side. And I realized that I could use what I knew about that to find out how many eggs are in here without even opening it. And we'll check that in a minute. But the process I used is multiplication using arrays. And I put the word array here for you. And what an array is, it's a neat arrangement of objects in rows and columns. So the row goes this way and the column goes that way. And it's neat because every row has the same number, 4, 4, 4. And every column has the same number, 3, 3, 3, 3. So what we have here are 4 rows and 3 columns. What we're doing, so it's a really easy way to see that multiplication is really just repeated addition. So we take 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And to figure out what the answer is, you can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we know now that 4 times 3 equals 12. Another way to show that is with these base 10 blocks, and a green stick is equal to 10 units. So we have 1 10 and 2 1s. 12 has 1 10 and 2 1s in it. So okay, so if an array is rows and columns, to show you how many items are in an array, you need to look at how many are on each side. So let's go back to the eggs. Without even opening it, as long as I know, which I do, that these are all full, we can figure out the answer by counting how many are on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's try it. I have enough of the cubes to make the rows. So the first row we said had 6. So let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the rows. Fill them all out so they all have 6. Okay. And how many rows were there? There were 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and we need 1 more row. 1, 2, 3. Did I do this right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here they are. I knew I had gotten them. They were playing a role over here in my base 10 blocks. Okay, so we have 6 per row and 5 rows. I like to count by 5s. For me, counting by 5s is much easier than counting by 6. So I'm going to count how many rows I have of 5. Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So counting by 5s, I found out that I have 30 cubes. So 5, 6 times, if you count by 5, 6 times 5 times 6 equals 30. Let's open the eggs now and see if we were right. She tied them very well. And I think that's why it worked for them not to fall out. Come on this side. All right, I'm getting scissors. No, here I got it. Just had to pull on the right one. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to open it up and count and make sure we got the math right by using arrays. Here we go, the big reveal. Oh, good, and none of them are broken. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Just like we had over here in our sample array. Here's the word array. In our sample array, 5 times 6 equals 30. So now look what I have. I have 3 boxes with 10, which is also an array if you look at it. We have a row of 5 2 times. So 2 times 5 is 10, and I have 3 of these. If I have 30 eggs, can I fit them in these 3 boxes? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Perfect. I can put my eggs in these small cartons and put them in the refrigerator. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So thanks for watching how we use arrays to do multiplication, which is just repeated addition of the same number. Talk to you later. Bye.